that.
You know what I'm saying? And we can't be stopped. I don't see nobody stop. I don't see none to come after us either. No, I don't nobody will never do this again. There's this many niggas and this much money. Can't get along. Let's stay together. They gon' fall out over girls or something. We don't fall out over.
No, before you jump in the other verse, that mad, you can't lie. Yeah, man. Oh, man, come on to the breakdowns like Drake.
On the play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot a selector boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, on a 5 against my team. Suck on a mama.
What's good, YouTube? Gang, it's your boy Jambisco, and I'm back with another hit and smashing up. You already know. Yeah, people trying to see what time it is, you don't know where I deal today. Yeah, man. People, you don't know we're there back with the artists that know straight onto the channel. You don't know where I deal with Skeng. Yeah, man. Skeng. I drop a video actually. Why? I make it about 2 days now. I drop it. Yeah, man. Canada. But I don't know check it out yet because you know, man, I try to save it for the reaction and thing. But you know, I've been doing it because I don't know when Skeng thing drop, you know, say burn up the street and you do numbers and them thing there, you know. But you know, we like to do a thing different over here. We take our time and you know, when we have time to do it properly, we do it thing properly. I don't know, but yeah, man, in drop a song named Skeng drop a song named Canada, and we just do a reaction to Skeng Rain Like Hail. So I'm gonna put the card up here if you wanna go check that out. It's Rain Like Hail, which was a dope song. So I'm surprised him drop a new tune already. You know what I'm saying? Cause he just drop Rain Like Hail out there, the video and everything. I know him drop Canada and yo, so I'm interested to see what I go on. You don't know. So if you're new to the channel, go the like and subscribe button. You know, I'm turning on the post notification bell so you get my videos as soon as I upload them. And for returning views and subscribers, you know I love like cook food and when I go straight to the top, you don't know. I take over this YouTube thing, yeah. You don't know, but yeah, man. Yeah, man, Skeng drop a new tune in Canada. I don't know Skeng style mad right now. It's about a place, him style different. Him style modern, I'm not gonna lie with you. He fit him, you know what I'm saying? He fit the time, him style fit the era, you know, 2022. I come with some modern style, some, you know, different thing. But I definitely want to see what this is about. Canada. When I'm there, Canada, tour it up, what am I deal with? Let's see what I go on, people. We're not gonna waste time. So I Skeng Canada, I jump right in that vibes right now.
Modest life.
Yeah, I'm saying.
Murder in a pop pit. Set decisions done.
Drop top.
Step up. Hey, gunman.
You say.
Murder.
Swag shop.
No. Hey, boy. When them up on a plane pod, you for the flame hard. Up in the Canada, here then you placing. Just I wanna hear him pass out. How many him? I like him with just spit in your face. Yo, what a dog, I'm a champagne. Yo, so I could tell the cat to be waiting in my room. Me a voice up, be a dog pill. Like, come on, I go, we go make the place rain. We a big spender, heavyweight and bad big.
Easy no man, easy no man. You don't know what things said. Yo, that come in fast, but I wanna still don't know. You come in just half loop, just in at the track, you know what I'm saying? But we'll take it from the top and see what I go on. Like the vibes. Easy. I like this.
Modest life.
Yeah, I'm saying.
Murder in a pop pit. Set decisions done.
The editing them mad, me not like.
Drop top.
Step up. Hey, gunman.
You say.
Rice, Rose Rice and them thing there, carry in at the back. Yo, that's a toy car, you know, the people don't notice that, you know. So that's a toy car. Hey, she, they like a rear house on the ground with an, like one of them high zoom camera.
Murder.
Swag shop.
No. Hey, boy. When them up on a plane pod, you for the flame hard. Up in the Canada, here then you placing. Just I wanna hear him pass out. How many him? I like him with just spit in your face. Yo, what a dog, I'm a champagne. Yo, so I could tell the cat to be waiting in my room. Me a voice up.
Easy no man, Lamborghini and thing. Oh yeah, me and my friend here live life. I want to go on. Then screen and I bought this, okay. We still do that. Eh? But Lamborghini and thing, tell them no. They not play. Easy no, you clean too. They're full. Alright, you can't hear it ready.
Be a dog pill, like come on, I go, we go make the place rain. We a big spender, heavyweight and bad. Big body girl, make it shape, bam bam, yo.
Yeah, that said big body girl, make it shape, bam bam. Easy no.
You think you better try no that. I know, go, we go tear down that.
You know what I'm saying? And we can't be stopped. I don't see nobody stop. I don't see none to come after us either. No, I don't nobody will never do this again. There's this many niggas and this much money. Can't get along. Let's stay together. They gon' fall out over girls or something. We don't fall out over.
No, No, before you jump in the other verse, that mad, you can't lie. Yeah, man. Oh, man, come on to the breakdowns like Drake. What? What? No, man. The youth are... No, man. The youth are... No, man. Me don't say him bad, but no, dog. The dog a spark a different interest now. Me a pray the dog a different, you know. You don't think that simple, you know. But that a creativity, you know, brother. Hey, you better watch out for the youth, yeah. You better watch out.
DJ, that's it for pick up black, you know. Touch black, come in the fire, while shot on the fuss, and I hear them iron them black. I kill a life with the action in the way in the world, bomb that Amsterdam, bomb that. Conquer that, yeah, one after one. All of a sudden, everybody get bad. Bad to bad, from a touch on the land, and I see a rich man.
Hold on now, people. Hold on the people. Tune bad, man. More me other Guineas. My Guineas done. How many Guineas there? Close on the skirt. Go on. Close on the skirt. Answer, people. No, man. The Guineas done, brother. Hold on, no, man. I can't deal with so. Vibe there, man. Close that. Yeah, man. But, hey. Vibe there, man. You can't. You don't know things that people. Right there, man. Yeah, man. Oh, go on. Skeng. You see where your cars, brother? You just want to see this? You see where your cars, brother? Oh, go on. Yeah, man. Back in the vibes. Come in. Oh, go on. Don't play with me.
Man, but I'm right. Your church, brother, them knocking on my friend. You are regular, I'm a circle, my laps, panaments.
Then this what you get. Everybody shining like new money. There ain't no other crew like this in the world. It never will be enough. Not black. It never will be. Because I said that if niggas like this are shining all together, being together, doing shit every day, then they gonna fall out over some money or somebody gonna rob, steal, and kill. I have yet to see that.
Yo, drop top. They plan for the. I know we're not going, man.
Yo, I want to take this a joke, man. I'm afraid that the brother, yeah, you know, brother. The man I do breakdowns like Drake. They look interlude them. Yo, the man I get creative with them craft. The man I drop an album. Me a bite.
Rich and bad. No, I'm on the line.
So all I say, yo, man, nah, hey. Skeng? You find it, my brother, you find it. You know, you do your thing. You find them, you know? Dog. Hits after hits after hits. That one a shot. I don't care what nobody wants to say. I want to see the fire emoji right now. You know what I'm saying? Fire emoji, because I want the bad. And definitely go show artists some love. You know what I'm saying? Link in the description. Like you know, say Jambisco anyway. I don't know. Show some love and support, man. But we don't want to think like comment section people. One thing we don't know. They want a shot. But I might tell her what go on. I know. I be biased. What go on. They want a shot, man. The video, the visual shot, the melody, the beat, lyrics, all that shot. The man creativity. You know yo, I take the youth like that. I not like, but that's what I end the one up, guys. You know. Let me know when I'm reacting next. You know, drop in the comment section. You know, think, show a lot of artists some love and support. Hit me up on Instagram. I can talk about it. Let me know when I'm reacting next. I don't know. It's boy Jambisco was here with another banger. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.